Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are well. Myself Aruna Boga and today we are going to discuss chapter number 6, soil erosion and conservation. So soil, we all know soil. What is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. On this uppermost layer of the earth, we are growing plants, right? And plants are providing food to all living things which are living on the planet, right? On the planet means what? On earth, right? So soil is providing food to us. That is why soil is also known as what? Foundation of all life on the earth, right children? Now we will discuss how soil was formed. So the formation of soil is slow and continuous process. When the earth was formed, there were only big hard rocks, wind, air, and water. And what happened? The change in the day and night temperature caused these rocks to expand and contract. Expand and contract means increase in size and decrease in size. So due to this, what happened? In that rocks, cracks had happened. Okay, and due to the action of this heat, rain, wind, and water, these rocks were broken down into smaller pieces. Again, these smaller pieces, by rubbing against on each other, or by running water, rain, and wind, they what happened? They broken down and they became into fine. They became fine loose material. Okay, this loose material only is called as soil, right children? So in this picture you can see how the cracks had happened on these rocks, and finally rocks had broken down into pieces, right? And that rocks became fine powder, means soil. So this is a continuous process, isn't it? So that is why this is known as this formation of soil. The process of formation of soil is also called as what? Weathering. Okay children, so the formation of soil is also known as weathering. Now we will discuss soil erosion. Soil erosion means what? The process of wearing away of soil over a period of time. So this is soil erosion. Simply we can say washing away of the topmost layer of the earth is known as soil erosion. So now in the formation of soil we have seen that due to this natural forces means what? Wind, water, heat, all these things are natural forces. So in the soil formation we have discussed that due to that natural forces, wind, rain, and water, heat, due to that only soil had formed, right? So by these natural forces only, by the action of these natural forces only, this soil erosion is happening. Is it clear children? So what will happen if soil erosion happens? Now only we have seen in the starting that on this soil only plants are growing which are providing food to us, right? So when this soil is washed off, foods will not this food production will decrease. How? Because this soil is providing nutrients which are required by the plants to produce food, right? So when this soil is washed off, means what is happening? Nutrients are also washing away. Then finally what will happen? Plants become weak and they will not provide enough food to us. So finally who will suffer? We, all living beings only will suffer, right? So it is very important to know the agents responsible for soil erosion. So how this soil erosion is happening by these natural forces, now we will discuss. Okay, so in this picture you can see soil erosion caused by water. Yes, how this soil erosion is happening by water we will discuss. When it rains heavily in the rainy season, what is happening? If it is raining heavily means what? Rivers will overflow, right? Floods will happen. So this flowing water, when the water is flowing from hill slopes, what will happen? Along with water it will carry some soil also, right? So the hill slopes, the soil which is present on the hill slopes, it is washing off. So due to this, what is happening? Hill slopes um, uh, become unfit for cultivation. Is it clear? For example of such kind of soil erosion, we can say Chambal Valley in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and next the rivers which are coming down the hills carry a lot of mud with it, and after reaching some plains, no, they will means after reaching plains, when the water is falling down from up to down, it is falling, no, forcefully the water will fall down, right? So after falling down, when it reaches some plains, the flow of water will become less, right? Means less means slow down, and it will deposit, or after reaching plains it will deposit mud over there, right, for some period of time. And then the rivers will change its course, right? So such kind, we can say such kind of changing course rivers, we can say in our country Bihar, river Kosi is there, which changes its course frequently. Understood? So due to the changing course, what had happened in 2008, in the year of 2008, lakhs of people were affected. Is it clear? And in China also one river is there. That river name is Wango. Okay, Wango. And it is also known as Yellow River, and it is also known as Sorrow of China, because this river also changed its course very often. Due to this, that China people also had faced many problems. Understood? So by this running water like this way, soil erosion is happening in different ways. By changing course of rivers, people are affected very badly, right? Now we will discuss how soil erosion will happen by the action of wind. Now here you can see in the picture, soil erosion caused by wind. So wind means what? When the wind blows very strongly, okay, then what will happen? Blowing wind, along with the blowing wind, it will carry the topmost layer of the earth, means it will carry the soil also. We have seen, no, when the wind blows very strongly, along it will carry soil along with the manure present on it. Understood? So it is carrying away manure also, soil also. Then the soil, the plants which are growing over there, no, they will become very weak. They will not get any nutrients, right? So the plants which are growing over there, they will die. Understood? So quite uh, the plants will become dry, means uh, they will die, the plants will die. And finally, actually plants hold the soil with their roots. Plants are dying means they with the help of their roots, they will not hold the soil. The soil becomes loose, and finally soil erosion causes what? Loss in food production, right? Next, we can see human beings also cause soil erosion. Human beings means what? We are also causing soil erosion. How? Yes, we know well how we are causing soil erosion. See here, deforestation is a major cause of soil erosion. Yes, as population is increasing for our needs, we are cutting down large number of trees, right? So that cutting down of large number of trees at a time, that is known as deforestation. Understood? Due to this deforestation, what is happening just now only in previous soil erosion, wind causes soil erosion. In that we have seen, when soil erosion happens, the plants which are growing, they will not grow properly, they will die, right? So here also, the plants which are growing, healthy plants, we are cutting down, right? So due to that, what is happening? That roots, actually roots hold the soil, so the roots become weak, they will lose the soil. So due to that, after loosening soil becomes loose, and it will be carried away easily, right, with the help of wind, or with the help of rain or running water. It will be carried away easily. So like that way, soil erosion is happening. And next way of soil erosion done by human beings, we can say plowing of hill slopes. So this plowing of hill slopes is also a reason of soil erosion. Next reason, we can say overgrazing by cattle. Overgrazing by cattle means, in the picture you can see many living beings are eating, right? They feed upon green plants, right? So if they eat up large number of animals eat up large number of trees, plants, grass which is growing on the land surface, then the soil becomes loose, right? Loose, and it will be washed away, or it will be carried away easily by wind or by running water, like that way. So like this way, human beings are causing soil erosion in many ways. Now we will discuss soil conservation. Soil conservation means prevention of loss of soil. Simply we can say protecting the soil from being washed away. So that is known as soil conservation, right? We cannot stop natural forces like wind and water from causing soil erosion, but we can protect our soil by doing different kind of actions, right? So many ways are there to protect our soil. So that some ways we will discuss here. Here soil conservation can be done in number of ways. So that number of ways, out of that number of ways, we will discuss here few ways of soil conservation. Here you can see on flat open grounds, the picture it has shown to prevent the soil from blowing off, farmers grow cover crops. Means what? Actually farmers are growing crops. In our previous chapter we have discussed that rabi crops and kharif crops, right? So in these two seasons some gap is coming. So to fulfill that gap means, after harvesting the standing crops and before raising the next crops, fields lie bare. So instead of lying the fields bare, farmers can grow like this cover crops. Cover crops means some creepers or some grasses. So by growing this grass and creepers, we can prevent the soil by washed away by the strong winds and running water, because these plants roots will grow into the soil, and that roots will fix the soil, right? Form they will hold the soil tightly with the help of roots. So like this way, one way to prevent soil erosion. And next way is on hill slopes. In previously in the running water, we have seen when water is coming down from hill slopes, flowing water will carry a lot of mud, means soil, along with the flowing water, right? So on hill slopes, if we cut down the slopes into steps, so that step farming, we know na. So in the picture you can see the slopes have the slopes can cut it down into cut down and made into steps. So by doing like this step like structure, when in the rainy season, when water is flowing from slopes, um, when water flows step by step, no, the flow of the water will be slowed down. So due to this, the soil erosion can be prevented. And next way of soil conservation is on fields near rivers. So in the picture you can see, to prevent floods, embankments are built along river bank. So in the rainy season, if it rains heavily, floods are coming, right? So to prevent ourselves from that flood, means to prevent our soil from being washed away with the flowing water, these river embankments will be made. Due to this, what will happen? These embankments will hold the water between the banks and prevent soil erosion. So it will be helpful in preventing soil erosion. So this is another some of the way of soil conservation. And yes, this actually this earth day, so every year this earth day will be celebrated on April 22nd. Earth day will be celebrated every year on the date of April 22nd. On this day in our schools it should be celebrated, and on this day we should discuss about this about our soil, importance of our soil, how soil erosion is happening. So making people aware about this, by making awareness about our soil, importance of our soil, how soil erosion can be prevented. So by this way also we can conserve our soil. And next, by following 3 R's. Yes, 3 R's means what? Reduce, reuse, recycle. So actually this is what these 3 R's are helpful in protecting the environment. We are protecting environment means what? We are protecting our soil too, we are protecting our earth too, right? So reduce, reuse, recycle, we all know well. Reduce means the things which are harmful to the nature, that should be reduced. And reuse means the items which can be used one more time after using, which can be used one more time. For example, plastic bucket is there, it has broken, so that plastic bucket can be used as flower pot, right? So like this way the things can be reused. And recycle means with the things old things can be made into new, that is known as recycling. For example, paper is recycled, right? Glass, these things will be recycled. So like this way, by following 3 R's method, we can prevent our environment. So we are saving our environment means what? Saving our earth. Saving our earth means what? Conserving our soil. So this is a chapter about soil erosion and conservation of soil. Thank you children, hope you all have understood well. Thank you.